Bulletin, EAS activation requested. The National Weather Service in Colombia has issued a tornado warning for southern Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Calhoun County in central South Carolina until 1:45 p.m. State at 1:05 p.m. State. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 12 miles southwest of Gaston or about 13 miles south of Red Bank, moving northeast at 70 mph. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Gaston, South Congaree, Pine Ridge. In case precautionary preparedness actions. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Report large hail damaging winds or flooding to your county sheriff or call the National Weather Service toll-free 1-877-633-6772. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4:00 p.m. State Friday afternoon for East Central Georgia and Central South Carolina.
The following alert is being broadcasting at the request of your local military base. Zombies are roaming on the streets. The dead has risen from the grave and attacking the living. Follow instructions from police and use up your weapons to kill all the zombies by shooting them in the head. Or hit them in the head with a baseball bat. Only hit the zombies in the head. If you don't, they'll keep going and eat you alive. Stay safe and don't let your brain get eating. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important information will follow. This is emergency action notification. All broadcasting and cable systems will transmit this emergency action notification message. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to assigned areas. This is WIS 10. We will continue to serve the South Carolina Midlands. If this is not your local area, then screw you, and listen anyways, mother ducker. You will die if you don't. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving Columbia.
Following message is transmitted at the request of the United States White House. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a test. The zombies have overrun the entire country and taken the capital. Washington, D.C. is now occupied with militant zombies. An invasion of the entire county is taking place by brainless, yet brain-eating monsters. If you are in the USA, seek shelter underground. Now, if you do not, you will be eaten by zombies. Actually, no. There is no use. Everyone will turn into a zombie by tonight. Please run around and scream in circles as there is no hope. As a result, there is no reason to stay calm. Panic, panic, panic. You are all going to die. The zombies cannot be stopped. This is the end of the United States as we know it. We will not conclude this alert with the anthem, as there is no point. No weapons will kill them. There are too many of them, and they are much stronger now. The United States government thanks you for your cooperation. We are sorry that we have failed. Take heart, and try to think happy thoughts as you get eaten alive these next few hours. Thank you, and goodbye.